How to solve Canon printer problems. See this video. First turn off your printer, then press and hold power button. Press stop button 5 times, then wait power light becomes stable. See this video. Now 4 times stop button and press 1 time power button. Then press 3 times stop button and 1 time power button. Then 5 times stop button, press 1 time power button. See, now a blank paper will be printed. Now turn off your printer. Just to switch off, press the power button and off, and few seconds it will be turn off and wait, then turn on it again.